How to perform a gallbladder flush. On the day of the flush, first you're going to have a big breakfast and a big lunch. At 2 p.m. you stop eating and you just drink normal stuff. At 6 p.m., from 6 to 8 p.m., you're going to drink 2 liters of water that have 2 tablespoons of Epsom salts completely dissolved and mixed in. It's going to make you poop everything out. From 8 to 10, you're just going to drink normal water to finish flushing the Epsom salts out of your body. You're then going to take a potion of virgin cold-pressed olive oil, 3 parts, grapefruit juice, 1 part, drink, and then lay down on your right side for the best results. When you wake up in the morning, 1 liter of water with 1 tablespoon of Epsom salts mixed into it, drink it. You're going to poop out a whole bunch of these little green stones. That's all the cholesterol and bile and calcium that's been kicking up your liver and your gallbladder, and you've been cleaned out.